Today we'll be doing an unboxing on the LifX A19 smart light bulb. This light bulb has a maximum of 1100 lumens. It fits in a standard socket. It's compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows 10 app. Will cost you about $1.32 a year in power. What's awesome about this light is it's RGB and you can control it from your phone or using Alexa or using Google Assistant. So let's get to the unboxing. We have sneaky tape over here, over here. Oh, so it's not badly packed. The bulb comes out immediately. This is basically what it is. That's all in the box. And it comes with the user guide and your warranty. Here is a demo of what this device can do. It can change to a multitude of colors. It could be a solid color. You could have different brightnesses. It could even be controlled via music. The app has a whole bunch of presets that will be shown in a moment. As we can see here in the app, you get a lot of control and a whole bunch of different integrations. You can control the bulbs with the Nest, with Google Assist, with Alexa, Logitech, Samsung, smarter things, and you can set up the bulbs in groups. So if you have more than one bulb in the living room, you control them together. You could turn them on and off from the app, and from the app you could choose the different colors, and choose the warmth of the light. You could choose a theme, and you could choose different effects, whether it's, you have like a breathing theme or a spooky or flicker or music virtualization, and you can simulate day or night.